Hello, good evening to everyone. Today in this video, we'll see how you can use Find My Device if you lost your phone. Maybe lost within your house or personally you lost your phone. See here, this is the Realme and this is Motorola mobiles. Now, just for this tutorial purpose, I'll be hiding this phone somewhere. Maybe under the sofa or under the pillow or somewhere maybe I lost, or you permanently lost your phone. In both the cases I'll tell you, means even you can get the map, means the location of the phone. So complete details I'll be telling you. The first thing here is there is one requirement. The email which is present in the lost phone, you need to have the same email login into this mobile. That is the requirement. Say for example, this is the lost mobile. So what I'll do is I'll be keeping this mobile somewhere here. Maybe I'll be just hiding this under the pillow. Okay, right? Now on this mobile, so this mobile you have the access, right? This mobile you have the access. Now we'll do all the things on this mobile only. First thing, say for example on the lost phone or the phone you lost, the email id which is on that phone is, say for example, xyz1234567899 at the rate of gmail.com. The same gmail you need to log in here. So I already have the same email id on my phone, which is this one. Okay, now fine. Now what I'll do is I'll open the Google Chrome or any browser, and here what I'll do is I'll be searching for Find My Device. Okay, and you need to click on this one, Find Your Phone. Okay, immediately this will open the list of all the mobiles with the same email id. See here, you can see the profile picture, right? Motorola mobile, child phone, in the sense the phone which I just kept under the pillow, that is Realme. I'll be tapping on this and see here. Now I need to select this child phone, and two things you can do: click on play sound. See, now the phone is ringing there. Actually, this is useful if you lost your phone within your house. Okay, see, stop the sound, right? Again I'll play it. This phone is ringing. I'll stop the sound, and along with that you can click on this get directions also here. As soon as you click on get directions on this phone, you'll get the exact location. Right now I'm not showing you the location because yeah, I'm not going to show the location, but there is one requirement on this lost phone. Actually here it will take the location from this mobile, so the location on this mobile should be turned on. If the location on this the lost phone is turned on, then only we can be able to get this get directions option on this mobile. Actually means on the tracing mobile, if we click on this get location, yeah, then you will get the exact map and you can just get to know even if this is lost permanently. So in this way you can actually use Find My Device and find the lost phone. If you feel this tutorial is helpful, please do hit a like, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.